Glueless wig is a trend that has come to stay. Yes, guys, so in this video, we are going to be customizing this factory wig to a beautiful glueless wig. So this is the wig, it's a factory wig. So at this point, I'm just going to apply foundation to the lace. This is part of the customization. I want the lace to look like skin. So after we're done, I'm just going to hold the wig like this to figure out the middle part, and I'm going to insert my T-pin right there. Why we're doing this is because we don't want to do the wig and at the end it's bent. So that's me showing you the middle part and how I apply or pin in the T-pin. So I'm going to pin the corners, and we have this M shape here, which means the work is going progressively and good. So after doing this, I just go ahead and part the hair in sections, apply my wax, and after applying that, I go in and part in sections and use my hot comb to lay the hair down flat, and also to tame every flying hair and make sure everything is in place and where I want it to be. So guys, this wig came pre-plucked. If not, I would have plucked it, though it's not really plucked the way I love it, but the customer doesn't want me to pluck the hair further. So I'm just going to use my hot comb and lay it flat. If you see the technique I'm using my hot comb, it's not the tip of the hot combs that gets the job done, it's the back of the comb, because once I insert the teeth, I tilt it towards the back. So that's the head measurement. So at this point, I'm taking the ear to ear measurement, and my client's ear to ear measurement is 12, but this wig is a 14. So we are going to take 1 inch from every side. There are a lot of ways that you can measure to take out, but in this video, I'm just measuring from the center, the middle that I showed you, where you can see the T-pin. So I just place the tape from there, and when we get to 6, I use that pin to secure or mark where 6 is. And when I mark 6, I go ahead with my razor blade, or at this point I measure to ensure that it's 1 inch that is left. So I go ahead with my razor blade and just with very light hand I tear the lace. I cut the lace. You can use scissors or whatever works for you, but a razor blade for me gets the job done. So guys, if you've watched at this point and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be instantly notified. And these days I am always live on YouTube, so turn on your notifications so that once I'm live on YouTube, you'll be notified by YouTube. I come live to do beautiful hair tutorials, be it braids, wigs, even nails and makeup, but mostly hair. So once we are done taking out the one santi at the end, we cut it off from both sides, and then at this point I'll go ahead and take off the elastic band where it's laying, because I'll need to put it from inside. And I am sorry guys, I sewed this elastic band on the lace from inside, and that clip, that footage, I did lost it, but that is how I did sew it from inside. And I have other videos on my channel showing how to fit the elastic band. So if you are so much interested in seeing how to place it, you can go check those videos. I'll probably leave a link to that video somewhere here so that you can just go watch it. So we are going in with a C part. So that's me trying to define the part, and I am hot combing it to make sure it's laying flat. That's why I love hot comb. It gets the job done like instantly. So we are just defining the part and making it more visible and beautiful. And that's the baby hair. I'm just trimming it. You can trim it the way you like. I don't think there's a particular way to trim baby hair, but that's how I prefer it. So that's the baby hair. I'm using this butterfly shadow to set the front because I want to lay it down with my elastic band. So I just go ahead and spray this butterfly shadow. I use this mini brush and slick the hair backward. You can do this while blow drying the hair for it to dry fast on cool air, not hot air. So Since I'm alone, I just do it multiple times and it gets set. But if you have somebody that assists you, the person can just hold the dryer on cool air and it will set like instantly. So guys, if you've watched this far and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, subscribe, and don't forget, turn on your notification button, because these days I come live like almost every day, and we do hair, braids, and a lot of beautiful stuff. So turn on the notifications so that when I'm live, YouTube is going to notify you. So just like we do the installation on the hair, I'm going into put my elastic band and pin it down just to secure the front part and make sure it lays beautifully and mold beautifully too. So I still go in with my butterfly shadow. Remember, this is a glueless wig unit, and this wig is for a client that is in the US. So this week is going to be traveling like far, so that's why I'm molding it, because this butterfly shadow is really hard spray. Once it molds, it becomes a little bit stiff and stay in place. So I'm just applying the butterfly shadow and I mold in the direction that I want it to be and how I want it to set. And there we go with the elastic band to set it, and I'm just using this pin to clip that top part because we want it to fall a little bit on the face. And I'm not going to be like coiling all of this wig, just the part on top, because this week the person traveling with it was already here and I wasn't done. It was a lot of weeks, so I was just rushing to complete the work, so I couldn't coil like all the hair. So at this point, this is a moment of truth. See what we have, guys. See how bold, beautiful, shining this week came out. So I'm just doing the sheen spray to give it that extra shine, and the perfume too of the sheen spray. I love it. So you see that, guys. See how beautiful this week came out. So if this week is beautiful for you as it is for me, please go ahead, subscribe, share the video with your hairstylist. If you love it, share it with friends and loved ones, and subscribe to the video, subscribe to me, subscribe to my channel. We are making the world a better place in our own little ways. So thank you for staying with me. Thank you for always coming to watch. I love you. Stay safe and keep watching Chris Hair Fire. So this is just me showing you guys how this wig came out. I personally did love how it came out and it fits so well on her hair. So if you want to do yours, this is a simple tutorial. See you in my next video. Bye.